Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone from wherever you are. I am Nitya Bodapati and I would like to give a brief introduction about myself, about my spiritual teacher and about Tao Calligraphy, Tao Chalk. I've completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science and a Master's degree in Business Administration from Indiana University of Pennsylvania. For over a decade now, I'm in spirituality. I'm a certified yoga teacher from Swami Vivekananda University, and I've done many courses in pranic healing for almost 8 years, and from 4 years I'm in soul healing. These 4 years have been the most fulfilling years of my life. I'm married, blessed with a kid, and co-founded a co-working space and starting a couple of new ventures. Everything changed in October 2015 during a workshop. During this workshop, I was offered Soul Mind Body Enlightenment download from Master Sha via online. This download changed everything. After I received this download, after a very long time, I really felt good and my outlook towards life felt very positive. In July 2016, I went to Toronto to attend a retreat, Guanyin Lineage Retreat. I met Master Sha for the first time. I went through a lot of emotional blockages there, purification. And by the end of the retreat, I felt very rejuvenated and felt like a newborn. I've attended various retreats in person and via online and various workshops in person and via online. Now I'm a certified soul teacher, Tao Source communicator, certified Tao Source communicator, certified Guanyin lineage holder, and a Grandmaster miracle healer and a Grandmaster calligraphy healer. Initially, I was offering healing for self and for my family members. After seeing the progress, I offered healing for various other clients, especially for relationships and finances. I offered weekly Love, Peace, Harmony group sessions even to now, where I lead them to practice singing and meditation practice, and they feel very blessed to do this meditation practice. I also offer Love, Peace, Harmony group sessions at various organizations in Bangalore. This includes Home for the Destitute and Samarthanam School for the Blind, where there were 400 children, physically challenged also, and hostel for women for physically challenged people, hostel for the women, for physically challenged people. While I was serving them, I saw the happiness in their eyes, where they moved out of their comfort zone, holding their hands and singing with smile in their face. This made me even more stronger to serve. I also started Love, Peace, Harmony group sessions at this present co-working space. After seeing the progress, I would like to expand this Love, Peace, Harmony outreach to various other neighborhood companies. I would like to give a brief introduction about my spiritual teacher, Dr. and Master Zhigang Sha. Dr. and Master Zhigang Sha is a world-renowned healer. He's a Tao Grand Master and a humanitarian and a philanthropist. He is the creator of Tao Calligraphy. He is the founder of Love, Peace, Harmony Foundation and Tao Academy, which is dedicated to make people's lives happier and healthier. He is the founder of Soul Mind Body Medicine and 11-time New York Times best-selling author. Master Sha, he had a very compassionate heart at a very young age. At the age of 4, Master Sha, the Guanyin lineage came to Master Sha and taught him in a spiritual form, Da Be Jo. Da means greatest, Be means compassion, Jo means mantra. This sacred mantra consists of 87 lines, each line representing a Buddha, which offers deep love and compassion. Master Sha chanted Da Be Jo daily and received several benefits in his daily life, and also at his physical journey and soul journey. At the age of 6, Master Sha was taken to a local park with his parents. There he met a Grand Master teaching Tai Chi to 3 of his disciples. he saw this Grandmaster slowly moving his hands and gently touching his disciples, and the disciples moved 15 feet away. Looking at this, Master Sha was in a wow condition. He went to the grandfather and said, "Grandfather, please teach me this technique." And the Grandmaster, after having a personal consultation with the parents, he took him as his youngest disciple. At the age of 6, Master Sha learned Tai Chi 2 hours every Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 hours. After this Tai Chi practice made Master Sha have deep persistence and softness within him. These qualities started developing in Master Sha at such a young age. He started connecting to heaven, Mother Earth, plants, trees around him. At the age of 10, Master Sha learned Qigong practice. Qigong is an ancient art where you develop your energy centers and your Qi within your body. His Qigong master taught him how to develop the Qi within his body and his spiritual spaces within his centers in his body. At the age of 12, Master Sha learned Kung Fu from a Shaolin Kung Fu master. Tai Chi and Kung Fu, Shaolin Kung Fu were one of the major martial arts, two major martial arts in Chinese history. Shaolin Kung Fu taught Master Sha to forcefulness, bravery and courage within Master Sha and developed the yang qualities in Master Sha. And Tai Chi was an internal Kung Fu where it used no internal strength. This developed the yin qualities in Master Sha. As Master Sha grew up, he saw many people around him suffer, and this caused Master Sha deep pain within him. He wanted to help them, and Master Sha wanted to do medicine since his young age then. And he finally completed his MD from China and Western medicine in China, and he's also a traditional Chinese medicine doctor. Master Sha also completed his MD in China and Philippines in 1986. After that, he went to Canada in 1990. There, over a decade, he had a very successful acupuncture practice. After that, he met his spiritual teacher, Master Go. Master Go taught him soul healing techniques, where Master Sha learned the soul wisdom and soul techniques. Over a decade, Master Sha learned Yi Bizi's style of writing from Professor Li, where Professor Li learned from the teacher who was the last emperor's teacher. The Yi Bizi style of writing is a oneness style of writing, where they connect different fundamental strokes of Chinese characters into one single stroke which forms a word. After learning this unique style of writing, Master Sha's all of his life study and experiences came together in a oneness. This created all his experiences from the Guanyin teachings and Tai Chi, Kung Fu, Shaolin, the Western medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, everything merged together as one. With the help of the study and life experiences, Master Sha was able to create Dao Chang. After this, Master Sha received many awards. As a grandmaster in many ancient disciplines such as Tai Chi, Kung Fu, Qigong, I Ching, Feng Shui, Master Sha was offered the Grand Master of the Year, the Qigong Master of the Year at the 5th World Congress of Qigong. In 2006, Master Sha was given the Martin Luther King Jr. Award for his humanitarian efforts. In 2016, Master Sha was given an award as an Honorable Researcher and a National Calligrapher Master by the State Ethnic of Academy in China. Now I would like to talk about what Dao Calligraphy and Dao Chang is. Let's see what Dao is. Dao is the source, it is the ultimate creator, where it is the oneness field. Lao Tzu in Dao De Jing, Lao Tzu is the author of Dao De Jing. Lao Tzu explained Dao as the oneness. It is a blurred condition, and within the blurred condition there was a profound wisdom. It's called the deep and profound wisdom. Within this blurred condition there's a tiniest matter, and within this matter there were images, and within these images there were messages. And here there is Dao. Here there is Dao. And Lao Tzu explained as Ren fa di, di fa tien, tien fa dao. That means human beings follow the principles of Mother Earth. Mother Earth follows the principles of heaven, and heaven follows the principles of Tao. For example, in human beings, when it's cold, when the weather is cold, they need to wear winter clothes. Or human being follows the law of gravity. The same way it continues, and heaven follows the principles of Tao. We all follow the principles of Tao. Let me explain the Tao, and Master Sha explained as Tao normal creation and reverse creation. Let's see what Tao normal creation is. Tao creates one, which is Yi Qi. Yi Qi has the blurred condition. It has both two types of Qi. One is the clean Qi and the disturbed Qi. Here both the Qi are mixed together, and it stayed here for eons and eons. After that, there was energy transformation that happened. Here there are two types of Qi, that is clean Qi and disturbed Qi. They stayed there together. After eons and eons, there was an energy transformation that happened, where the clean Qi rises up to form heaven, and the disturbed Qi falls down to form Mother Earth. And this creates heaven and Mother Earth. 2 is the representation of heaven and Mother Earth. 2 creates 3. 3 is 1 plus 2. 3 is the blood, the Yi Qi, which is both clean Qi and the disturbed Qi together, and heaven and Mother Earth. 3 creates Wan Wu. Wan Wu is all things, including countless planets, stars, galaxies and universes. So it's a representation of human beings. It's also human beings. And Wan Wu returns to 3, 3 returns to 2, 2 returns to 1, and 1 returns to Tao. This is how Master Sha explained Tao, normal creation and reverse creation. Here I would like to tell you that Tao and One are from the Wu world. Wu world has got the purest and the finest Shen Qi Jing. It has the positive energy, soul, Shen Qi and Jing. It has positive Shen Qi Jing, where it has soul, heart, mind. Shen includes soul, heart, mind, where soul is the message, heart is the receiver, mind is the processor. Qi is the energy, Jing is the matter. So in the Wu world, there is the finest and the purest Shen Qi Jing, which includes the 10 dark qualities. And in the Yo world, it has some impure qualities such as negative Shen Qi and Jing. It could be negative disharmony, disconnection and disorder amongst it. And what is Dao Chang? Dao Chang is a Dao field which carries the purest and the finest Shen Qi Jing with the 10 dark qualities. So when numerous calligraphies are placed in a room that forms around us, it forms a Dao field, Dao Shen Qi Jing field. This is called Dao Chang. When a human being with sickness, let it be physical sickness or mental, emotional sicknesses, or business or finances, comes in contact, especially business, it comes in contact with the Dao Chang, it transforms their business, it transforms their relationship, it transforms their intelligence and every aspect of their life. That's how healing and transformation occurs. I've personally witnessed this healing and transformation. There are, as of now, 8 Dao Changs. Master Sha has created 8 Dao Changs around the world, which includes Belgium, Vancouver in Canada, and Toronto in Canada, London, Netherlands, Sydney in Australia, and San Francisco and Honolulu, Hawaii. If you ever get a chance, I really would appreciate if you visit the Dao Chang Dao calligraphy and experience this. As Master Sha always says, if you want to know if a pear is sweet, taste it. Thank you very much for attending this session.